welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I get this hairstyle, which is the hairstyle that I did in my last video, which is basically a twist out. And first thing I want to say before you get into this video is I am not pushing or promoting anyone to use these products that I use in this video. One, because I know some of these products do have harmful chemicals or contain chemicals that can affect you with long-term use. I just want to say first and foremost, make sure you're looking at the ingredients of whatever you put in your hair, whatever you put on your body, whatever you put into your body. Make sure you read the ingredients, know what works for you, what doesn't, and the risk factors of the chemicals that are around you every single day. With that being said, I am looking for more natural products. It's a process. If you guys have any suggestions on products that I can use that are more natural and safer to use on your hair, then definitely leave that in the comment below. But for now, this is what I do, and these are the products that have been working for me. So yeah, let's just get into it. This is the style I always do to my hair, whether I'm wearing it up or down. Like in my recent video, I pretty much always do either twist outs or I slick my hair down. I'm gonna put my latest natural hair update video in this card up here, so click the little eye up here in case you want to watch that. Now for shampoo, I'm going to shampoo my hair with the shaitaan'moisture Rose Oil Complex shampoo, and I really like this shampoo because one, it's not drying to your hair, but it does cleanse your hair very well. I like that it's in this packaging. I love the smell of this. This smells amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair and I'll be right back. And this is how my hair looks when right after it's freshly washed. So yeah, for conditioner, I'm going in with my Aussie Moist conditioner. This is like the best conditioner ever and it's really affordable. And there's no way I do this. I just pretty much slap it in my hair and I try to get it all over so that my hair is evenly coated when I go into detangle. And when I get out the shower, I don't like use a towel or a t-shirt or anything. I literally let it drip all over the place because my hair does not retain moisture easily. My hair dries very fast. So I try to keep in the most moisture I can. Now I'm gonna section my hair, and I'm not using a comb to section my hair because honestly I never do. So I just section it into 4 pieces. And I take a scrunchie and I just tie my hair up. You see this really big section of hair? I'm going to split it in half. So I'm gonna go in with another pump of conditioner again while my hair is soaking wet. And I'm gonna start to finger detangle. And after I finish finger detangling, I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb. After, I'm gonna take this section, split it in half, and then I'm going to twist it. Now some days I will do the same process with a deep conditioner, but then after I finish twisting up my hair, I'll put a plastic cap on and I'll sit under the dryer. That's the only difference. And I do that about once a week. I try my best to do that once a week. I always make sure I twist my hair back up after detangling because this helps my hair to not knot up while I just tried so hard to detangle it. So this keeps it from tangling again. I cannot do this in the shower. because I cannot spend that long in the shower. My water will get cold. I do this outside of the shower before I go in the shower, and then when I'm rinsing out the conditioner, I'll take a real shower. I'll rinse out my conditioner and then I'll real shower and get out, so I'm not spending my whole time in the shower on my hair. Then when I am done detangling, I will go into the shower, do my business, and I would rinse these out but keep the actual twists in. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. Now I'm going to start styling, and I'm gonna focus on each section individually. If this section feels like it needs a little bit more leave-in conditioner, which it really doesn't, I would add a little bit more. And as a leave-in, once again, I use the Aussie Moist conditioner. So I would put that in, and then I go in with my olive oil. Now this is just extra virgin olive oil I keep in a little container. You can get this from any supermarket really. Some extra virgin olive oil. I would recommend olive oil for people with thicker hair or kinky hair. If your hair is more fine, I feel like olive oil might weigh down your hair. I just rake that into my hair. And then after, for a cream, I'm going in with my shaitaan'moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I live by this. I love this. They actually have a smaller version now, and this one is about $10 compared to the bigger one that is $16. So sometimes when you don't, you like, sis, I don't got it today. You get the smaller version. I found this at Target. I love the smell of this. I love how this makes my hair feel. I just love everything about it. But this can weigh your hair down. So like I said, again, if you have very thin, fine hair, you can use just this little bit on your whole head, like literally. And I just like to warm it up in my hands and then go in and make sure that section is fully saturated. Winter time, I just use this because in the winter time it's less humidity. My hair doesn't get as frizzy, but since it's the summertime and frizz is a beast, I'm gonna then go in with my Eco Styler gel. Now I spoke about this gel in a video and said that this is not good for like styling, as in flattening your hair, or if you want to do like a slick hairstyle, really sleek hairstyle. This says max hold, like a 10 hold, but this doesn't have a hold like the Crystal one, like the clear one, or even like the argan oil one. This one is really moisturizing and really forgiving. I feel like I can put a lot of this in my hair and it will never flake up, so that's good. And I feel like it's great for twist outs and wash and goes. So I'm just adding some gel to that area. I'll take a little section like that, or a little bit more. I'll take a little section like this, and I'm going to pass through the section with a comb just to make sure everything is combed out. And then I'm gonna start twisting, kind of like flat twisting at the top. And I'm gonna try to do these as tight as I can. And as I'm going down, I'm going to comb out that section just to make sure when you take out the twist, it's very uniformed and all the strands are together. When you come to the end, twirl it around your fingers, and there you go, a twist. Okay, so now all my twists are done, and you can see I didn't make them too big or too small. They're all a medium length, at about a medium length. I put on a bonnet, or you could put on like a silk cap or use a silk pillowcase. I like to make sure my twists are as dry as possible before I go to sleep, because if they're kind of still wet, it'll kind of like crunch up, and then when you wake up they will be like a little disformed. I'm going to come back tomorrow and show you guys how they come out. And this is how my twists are. They usually shrink up. I take them apart first and I really carefully do it. I unravel them because the messier you are with this step will be the frizzier your hair turns out. So you really want to take your time taking these down. Now all my twists are out, and before I go in and touch them and fluff it up, I just like to shake my hair out. This just lets the curls get into formation. I don't really need more volume, but I like length and I like my hair to look a little longer. I'm going to pull, like carefully take some of the curls, pull them down, and take a pick and comb my roots down with the pick into the roots and comb it down. I might make a little bang right here because I love little curly bangs. So I might make a bang right here. Yeah, this is basically how I do all of my twist outs. I will also link down below the video where I put my hair up because that is a popular style that I do that a lot of people like. So I will link that video down below if you guys want to see how I get that hairstyle. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.